In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pre-install Forza Horizon 5. This doesn't mean that you can play the game yet. You will not be able to play the game until the 9th of November, but you will be able to just jump straight into game on that day because you will already have the game installed on your computer. So I will be showing you two ways of installing Forza Horizon 5 onto your Windows computer. So the first method I will be showing you is using the Xbox app. So you need to open up the Xbox app, and then in the top right hand corner where it says search for games, you need to type in Forza. You then need to press enter, and you will now see a list of the Forza games. You need to select Forza Horizon 5, and you will then see the pre-install option. If you do have a different edition of Forza Horizon, then you can select the edition you have, but I will be installing the Forza Horizon 5 Standard Edition because that's what comes with the Game Pass. So you can now select pre-install. You can now choose the drive where you would like to install Horizon 5 to. I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive, so I'm now going to press install. It will now begin to download and install Forza Horizon 5 onto your computer. But just keep in mind, as you can see here, you will not be able to play the game until the 9th of November. So the other way of downloading the game is through the Microsoft Store. So if you open up the Microsoft Store, and you then click in the search box in the top right hand corner, make sure you are signed into the account that you purchased the game on. You now need to type in Forza and press enter. And you now need to select your edition of Forza Horizon 5. So I'm going to select the standard edition. You will then see the option to install. You now need to press install, and as you can see, it's now beginning to download and install Forza Horizon 5 to my computer. So it's nice and ready for the 9th of November. So I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If it did and you liked the video, then hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.